Higher degree research is like building a jigsaw. You're trying to find out where your little project fits within the bigger picture of global research in your field. To do that, you need to figure out what already exists and how your project is connected to that research, because we all know you don't start a jigsaw puzzle in the middle. A good way of getting a really good overview of the field is with keyword searching. A keyword search looks for an exact match to your search terms anywhere in each item record. So let's say we do a keyword search for gambling. This won't pick up risk-taking, which is an aspect of gambling. Some of them are not very relevant at all. Maybe they're just opinion pieces or far too old to be of use. So you can limit your results to just the last 5 years or only items that are available online and peer-reviewed, and just show journal articles. So these pieces might form the frame of your puzzle, not very relevant, but good to help you orient your studies. So that's it. A keyword search, just one type of search to establish your field of interest and help you reveal the gaping hole in the existing research that your little nugget of wisdom will fill.